So all of you, okay, once again Miss Safari is over here. So simple machines, right? Simple machines. Please, Sarifa.
I am not doing anything. What are you?
Simple machines, okay? So simple machines. So machines are of two types. Machine, you can see my mouse over here. This is also a machine. It protrudes laser beam, okay? You have studied about the regarding of mouse in your computer, right? Okay, so machines are of two types. One is of simple and another is of complex. Complex means it is many kinds of simple machines. Now what is simple machine? Simple machine I will explain to you in this chapter only. There are a wide range of simple machines. Now what are the types of simple machine in one example? Lever, seesaw, inclined plane, staircase, pulley, wheel and axle, your steering, screw that you find here and there, that's the screw, and wedge is your axe, okay? So next I go to the next part, and that is where am I? Where is my pointer? Over here. Okay, now see what happens there. Now I'll just read out a paragraph for you. A machine is a device or a tool which helps us to do a work easily by reducing the time and amount of force. Machines are of two types, simple and complex. Now there is a wide range of simple machine. Please don't do so. There are a wide range of simple machines, such as the most common of simple machines are the pulley, wheel and axle, screw and the wedge, okay? So next we have the terms to know. Machine, a device or a tool which help us to reduce our work and increase, means it multiplies the work and divides the labor that is applied on it, okay? So next we have a pulley. So let me show you the picture of a machine first of all. Let me show you the picture of a machine. See, this is a machine. A small but a complex machine, okay? Next, see, there are three kinds of pulley. First is sorry, this is a lever. Sorry everyone, sorry. Here's a pulley. You can see a whale type of thing. See, I'll show you with help of my highlighter. First, your weight. Laser ink and highlighter. And highlighter that too of red color. Right. You see, the force is being applied in this direction and the load is coming up at this direction. I hope you are understood. And there is a wheel here that is used to reduce our work. Okay, next we have so a small definition about the pulley. A pulley is a simple machine which is made up of a rope or a chain wrapped around a wheel. It changes the direction of force and thus makes it easier to lift things to some height. The two types of pulleys are fixed pulley and movable pulley, that you will learn in later classes, okay? Next we have, after pulley we are having wheel and axle. So what is a wheel and axle? Yeah, you can see wheel and axle. If the wheel is also moving, the axle is also moving, and this wheel is also moving. So three moves together. It's found in our doorknobs also. A small paragraph for you all. A wheel and axle arrangement is a simple machine in which a large wheel rotates around a central collapse axis. This arrangement is used for lifting and moving loads. Some common examples are cars or trucks, screwdrivers, steering wheels and doorknobs. Okay, so I hope you all understand. Next we are having lever. Okay, so I'll travel. Okay, lever. See, there are three kinds of lever, three types of lever actually we are having. Okay, first, in the first one, now remember the formula. I just point there when I am writing. Fully. Remember this formula, okay? Fully. F for fulcrum, L for load and E for effort, okay? So what is fulcrum? Fulcrum, you can see point to the last picture, below one. Yeah, you can see the fulcrum is in the middle. This is called the class 1 lever. Number 1. This is the number 2. You can see the load in the middle, number 2. And number 3. You can see the effort in the middle. See, the order is also going likewise. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now examples I am giving. Now class 1 pulley is a seesaw. Class 2 pulley is a nutcracker. And a lemon squeezer is a class 3 pulley. Okay. So let's go to the next part. Okay, first a small definition of a lever. Lever is a rigid bar or rod that rests on support called a fulcrum. It is a simple machine that is used to lift weights with a minimum amount of effort. One lever is categorized under the positions of fulcrum, load and effort in different cases. In class 1 lever, fulcrum is in the between of the effort and the load. Scissors, pliers and seesaws are examples of class 1 lever. I already gave you the definitions of class 2 and class 3 lever also. Okay, so small paragraph from them. In class 2 levers, the load is between the fulcrum and the effort. Bottle openers, nutcrackers and wheelbarrows are the examples of class 2 levers. Okay. Next we have the class 3 lever as the example. The effort is between the fulcrum and the load. The tongs and the fishing rods are the class 3 levers. Lemon squeezer also you can take as an example. Okay, so next we are having, next I am having screw. Where is the screw? Where is the screw? You can see a screw, a modified type of screw you can see. Okay, very like there is a rod which helps us to fix things properly. So a small paragraph for here. The screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod. Especially it is commonly used for holding things together and lifting heavy metals. Next, wedge. You can see a wedge, example of a wedge. See, you see, cutting like thing, you see. A wedge is a triangular shaped simple machine which has slanting edges and a meat to form a sharp edge at one end. It is used to cut or break materials by applying force using handle. Some common examples of wedges are axes, knives and our teeth are also wedge. My god. Okay, so what do we have next? We have the inclined plane. The inclined plane, okay. An inclined plane is a sloping or slanting surface which connects lower level to higher level. It is used to make heavier object move to a height. I'll show you. See, a man is carrying, and if the inclined plane was like this, it would be like the gravity would come to be more, and here the gravity is less. Okay, this is more and this is less gravity. Okay, so next let me see what we are having. Okay, so next we don't have anything. Thank you for watching this video. That's all. Thank you so much. Bye.